Imagine taking a photo, or even a video, that's 200 years old, or from any point in time, and being able to bring it back to life in up to 16K resolution. You're probably not going to believe this is even possible today, but I brought you an AI tool that can actually do it. And honestly, because I love this tool so much myself, I decided I had to make a video showing you exactly how it works, because I know it can help a lot of people. Take a look at this video. This is me at the zoo, the very first video ever uploaded to YouTube. It originally had extremely low quality. Now watch this. Look at how it looks after I restored it. That's a massive difference, right? And it's not just video, I'm also going to show you photos because that's actually what I want to focus on most in this video. The platform I'm using is called VmakeLabs. It's an easy-to-use, AI-powered creative platform designed for everyone, allowing anyone to fix and enhance photos and videos effortlessly. With their advanced AI algorithms, you can restore old memories or clean up visual clutter in just a few taps. Right now, take a look at this photo of real football players. You can see the before version, and now look at the after. You honestly won't believe it. Let me show you another one. This is a photo of Lionel Messi, old version and now the new version. Look at that difference. And here's a photo of a boy, a girl, and their dog, before and after. Let me show you one more. This family photo, father, mother, and children, before and after. You genuinely won't believe what this platform can do. This is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, how you can restore your own old photos and make them look incredible using VmakeLabs. Let me show you a few more examples before we jump into the platform. Here's a wedding photo, before and after. And this next one, a family memory photo, before and after. This is truly amazing. Here's another one. This photo is already damaged, and here's the after. And this photo of a girl, before and after. And one more, a man and woman, before this old damaged photo and after. I've already used this platform to fix countless photo distortions, and now I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it yourself. Before we start, make sure to hit subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment. Go to your browser, I use Chrome, and search VmakeLabs. You'll see the first result. VmakeLabs, all-in-one AI video tools. You can click on that link or use my link, which I've already left in the description and pinned comment. Before we continue, let me show you something important. If you check Trustpilot, you'll see VmakeLabs has a 4.5-star rating, which is high and shows it's used and trusted by a lot of people. Now, if you prefer using your phone instead of the web version, don't worry. You can use the VmakeLabs app as well. Simply open the Google Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. In the search bar, type VmakeLabs and tap Search. You'll see the official VmakeLabs app appear. As you can see, it has a 4.3-star rating and has been downloaded by over 5 million users, which shows that millions of people already trust and use this platform. Go ahead and tap Install and wait for the app to finish downloading. Once it's installed, tap Open. The first time you launch the app, tap Next through the introduction screens. Then tap Get Started. Accept the terms and permissions, and you'll be taken straight into the app. Once you're inside, you'll notice that VmakeLabs includes a wide range of AI tools, such as AI Video Editor, AI Background Remover, AI Thumbnail Generator, AI Media, and many more. You'll even find Seedance available inside the app. But for today's tutorial, we're going to focus on restoring old photos. So scroll down until you find AI Enhancer, then tap on it. Next, scroll through the available enhancement modes until you see Old Photo. Tap Old Photo because that's the feature we'll be using to restore old, damaged, blurry, or faded photos and bring them back to life with AI. I'm on the VmakeLabs app now. I click Upload, and I choose this old photo of Lionel Messi. After it uploads, you'll see this photo. And here's the important part. You click Old Photo under Scenes, then click Try Now. That's it. You don't need to write anything else. No complicated instructions. Just upload your photo, select Old Photo, Try Now. Then you wait while the AI restores it. And look at that, the photo of Messi is already restored. This platform is genuinely amazing. You can now click Save. Let me show you one more. I click Upload again, and this time I choose this old photo of football players from a past World Cup. After uploading, you can see the photo looks rough. That's because it's from a much older time. Same process. Click Old Photo, then click Try Now. That's genuinely all you need. Now we wait while the AI restores and enhances the photo up to 4K quality. And there it is, done. Look at this restored photo of the football players. It looks completely new now. Click Save and it's saved. I click Upload one more time and choose this old photo of a boy and his dog. Same process. Click Old Photo, then Try Now, and let the AI do its work. By the way, every day when you log in, you get 20 free credits, so you can keep restoring photos without any extra cost. And look at this. The photo is already restored. Let me zoom in so you can really see it. This is incredible. I genuinely love this platform because it delivers exactly what I need every single time. Click Save, and you now have your photo restored in up to 16K resolution. Now, let me show you something really interesting. Let me use web version. I went back to YouTube and searched for Me at the Zoo, the very first video ever uploaded to YouTube. As you'd expect, it has very low quality. I downloaded this video, came back to VmakeLabs, and clicked Video and Image Enhancer. I click Upload and select the video. You can see it's only 240p quality, which is genuinely low. After uploading, I go to General, then click Quality. Here you can choose 2K, 4K, or even 8K. For this one, I'll go with 4K quality. Then I click Apply to restore the video. And there it is, done. Let me play it for you so you can see the difference for yourself. Imagine taking a video from 240p all the way up to 4K, or even 8K quality. That's the power of this platform. And with that, the download is complete. If I click Home, you'll see this platform offers a lot more than just photo restoration. You can create UGC-style ads, video ads, and there's even an AI avatar studio, where you can create talking avatars. There are several more AI tools built into this single platform. And that's exactly how you can bring your old photos and videos back to life using VmakeLabs. From damaged, blurry memories, all the way up to stunning 4K and even 16K quality. The link to VmakeLabs is in my bio if you want to try it yourself. If this video helped you, make sure to hit subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment telling me which old photo or video you're going to restore first. I read every single comment, and I'll personally reply to you. My name is Fred. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building.